Hello, beasties. Let's talk about some Halloween puzzles. So the first one that we're going to do in gray, those are the ones that I'm going to be instructing you through it, and then anything that says homework, then I can assign. You will notice some actually say the word challenge, which means those are not homework. Those are things that are going to just push your skills a little farther, and it's choice to try them or not. This video is actually going to focus on astronaut hats, these types of puzzles. So let's first one together. Well, before I start anything, I like to focus on this strategy. Stop, think, go. So I'm going to stop and I'm going to try to gather some information. So I'm going to read the directions. The cost of combinations of horned, crowned, or angel halo astronaut hats are shown in the chart. Wait, what? Horned, crowned. Oh, there we go. Look, I'm playing along here. I am the one that made the puzzle, but I'm pretending to be discovering like you. Ooh, that's neat. Now take a look. Each type of astronaut hat has their own value in dollars. I'm going to problem solve my way through this puzzle. So let's figure it out. So there's lots of pluses. So I see a lot of addition. I see no other operations. So a horned, a halo, a halo, a halo equals $10. Wait, what? Horn, crown, halo, horn. I'm so confused. I don't even know where to start. Find a pattern. So I'm going to look for something that could give me a place to go. For this puzzle, because they do get progressively more difficult, there is a pattern here. Look at this interesting thing. 3 of the horned equals $3. $2, $2. No, that's 6. That doesn't work because I could be trying a guess and check. But instead, I might realize, oh, wait, if this is $1, this is $1, and this is $1, that's $3. So right now, this is a guess, and I'm going to check it. So let's take a look. So if this is 1, so is this. So I now have 2 values here. A $1 and a $1, but I need to total 7. So $7 minus these leaves me $5. So these together have to equal $5, which means I can either do a 1 and a 4. Oh, I already used a 1, so that's not going to work. I can use a 2 and a 3, or a 3 and a 2. I suppose I could have. It said each has a value, so that infers there's no zeros, but otherwise I could have done 0 and 5. Now, I'm going to guess my way through this. So I'm going to see about here. I see a pattern, 3 halos. So if this is $1, I need a total of 10. 10 minus 1 is 10 minus 1, yes, 9. I need to split that 9 up 3 ways. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So if this is $3, this is $3, and this is $3, I get the 10. So this, I think, works. This works, which means this problem here, this is the 3, which means if this is the 3, then this must be the 2. Now I'm going to continue checking. I said that the halo was $3. 3 plus 1 plus 3, well, that checked. 3 plus 3 plus 2, that checks. 3 plus 2 plus, that must be a 2. 7, that checks. Let's check these. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that checks. 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at that. So now I go to the bottom. The horned, I say, are $1. My crown is going to be $2. My halo is $3. And the sum, which means addition, down here. So I'm just going to fill this in. A 1, a 1, a 1, a 2, a 2, a 2, a 2, a 3, a 3, a 3. Now, this is a lot. Oops, sorry. This is a lot to add. So I'm going to actually create a simpler problem. I'm going to group them. That's another strategy, solve a simpler problem. This I'm going to say is 3. This I'm going to say is 8. and this is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17, and 3, $20. So this is an interesting puzzle. So let's look at some of the others that now you will be asked to do for homework. This next one is also addition. We're going to be practicing these three strategies. You're going to stop. You're going to look at it, read the information, notice things. What do you notice? Think about it. Hopefully you notice again, lots of additions. And then you're going to try to go. That go involves finding a pattern. If you can't find one, you are going to have to do a guess and check, which is why you use a pencil. There is another one. This is the multiplying blobs. So I need you to find out what blob Bob, blob Betty, blob Bart, blob Bootu, and blob Billy, what they each equal. That's so fun to say. Say it like fast. It's so fun. So we're going to do our stop, think, go. I notice I see an operation change. I also know this one, unlike the others, has a beginning. And there are some patterns up here. And you guys know your multiplication and division with your tens. So this is something you should be familiar with. This box here will help you in finding out what blob Bob and blob Betty are worth. So fun to say. The next one, again, a stop, think, go. I'm going to read the directions. Here are the 5 things I'm finding a value for. Here they are. Again, we notice the operation. Now, warning, warning. These are repeated multiplication. This times this doesn't mean 2 mermaid tails. No, no, no. If you say the mermaid tail is worth 5, it's 5 times 5. That's 25. If you say the mermaid tail is worth 8, it's 8 times 8, 64. If you say the mermaid tail is worth 10, it's 10 times 10 is 100. If you say, so are you getting this?